Hey guys, welcome back. Got another little update for you. So recently I saw on one of the Mach 1 forums the new light that you could put under here. It's an aftermarket part, obviously. It's not done by Ford, but what it is it comes in this little box here. It's from PimpMyEV. I'm not a big electric vehicle fan, but hey, they made these, so I like what they look like, and you'll show you later. So inside the box comes these two little lights that connect up. These are actually the Ford OEM lights. One thing you want to be aware of when you take the original out, which you are provided a little screwdriver to help pry it out. Super easy install, nothing crazy, but you want to be careful on the driver's side. You could tell I accidentally didn't get this whole clip here, and I pulled off the little plastic piece. So if for some reason you ever want to go back to the original ones, if I ever have to or want to go back to the Pony, I'm going to have to glue this back onto the top here because I accidentally ripped it off. So that little disclaimer there, not a big deal, especially since I just replaced it. So this here's a little key. This key, be hard to see probably, but if you look under here, there's two holes. And this little key you put in there and you adjust it, and then when you first install it, it might be a little crooked. It might like go that way, or up into the car. So you get a little chance to adjust it if needed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the light here, and we will go check it out and see what it looks like. So nice and dark. And then, as you can see, I got the bar, the Mach 1 bar. They do have one that's just a regular Mach 1 script, but I love how long it goes out and how noticeable it is. And then if you want to look on the other side, same thing. So yeah, review-wise, I like them so far. Super easy to install, and yeah, kind of fades there. But definitely something that if you're looking to change up the just the standard Pony that it comes with, I highly recommend. And it took me like 2 seconds to install, very quick, other than breaking the little piece. But yeah, there's the classic 71 Mach 1. All right, thanks guys, enjoy.